The Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor or MAP sensor works with intake air pressure to define proper air and fuel quantities required for the ignition cylinders. It is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. A faulty Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor related problems, here is one method to fix the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor. Method A. Diagnose the MAP sensor. First, carefully remove the MAP sensor from the engine. Inspect the MAP sensor for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the MAP sensor. When you install a new MAP sensor, check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. So here is one method to fix the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.